Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install Instagram on laptop and PC in just a few simple steps. First, search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar. Once the Microsoft Store is open, search for Instagram in the store's search bar. First, you need to create a Microsoft account and log in. After logging in, click the Get button. Your Instagram app will now start installing. Wait for a moment while the installation completes. Finally, Instagram has been installed. You can see it in the bottom right corner. Now click Open to launch the app. Here, you need to log into your Instagram account. I'll log into my Instagram account and show you. As you can see, my Instagram app has been installed on my PC or laptop, and that's it. How to install Instagram on laptop and PC. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.